off to Edburton today. Lovely little place in Sussex, lovely little village. We're going to do a pond clean for an old customer who built his pond about 6 years ago, and go around every year, give it a little clean up, maintain it, and the UV needs changing, the actual unit, so we'll show you how to do that as well. Yeah, so keep in touch. Okay, so here we are. We're going to do a full clean today, so the whole shebang's coming out. Get grids off first of all, move them out of the way, set up the big blue, ready for the fish. Get the main pump on, fill up the big blue. Whilst that's filling up, get the filter lid off, open up the waste valve. What we like to do here is blast out all the pond water from the main pump, keeping the waste valve open, gives it really good quick clean. Rest of the water on the garden. Okay, so time to get the fish out. The water's nice and low, so we can catch them nice and quick. Once they're all out, get the vac on, suck out all the dirt and the rest of the water. Whilst the vac's on, jet wash off the sides. Don't want to go too hard really. You can see what we've done there. Bit of discoloration, but that's pretty normal in the liner. Broken pipe on the pump needs replacing. Going to use a softer, more flexible hose this time. We'll change that over pretty quick. Clean out the main pump in the pond. Tidy up those cables, guys. Nothing worse than a messy cable. Okay, get the screens off the main filter. Soft wash the jet wash, gets them really nice. Doesn't take too long. The old UV is broken, so a new one on. 55 watt Edburton. Doesn't take long to change one of those over. Wire it back up. Tidy up those cables again. Clean off the area, nice and neat. Wow, lunch from the customer, Parmigiano, beauty. Get rid of some of the water, fish back in now. We've put some treatment in for all the tap water, so it's safe for the fish to go. Back in and fill it straight up. Tidy up the sides, tidy up the area. There we go, nice and clean. The main reason why the pond was so green before was really because the UV was off, so there's nothing really to clump up the algae, keep the water clear. However, our customers like to have this done sort of once a year, just keeps on top of things. If you need any help or advice, give us a call, guys. Thank you. A couple of photos we took with the flying fish cam this afternoon. Hope you like them. If you want some more videos, guys, we are a new channel. Like and subscribe, really help us. Any questions at all, we're more than happy to help.